coastal areas.
Storm made landfall in the eastern Philippines, and it has all.
In-approach namin sila after.
After-
Kasi
after
kasi 'di ba,
na-
if you
after
want to
namin.
deal with government agencies, it's easier if you already show them something para ma-encourage sila to actually work with you.
Yung shape ng river sa Marikina, sobrang curvy niya. Since may mga bahay malapit sa ilog, hindi na masyadong maka-flow ng maayos yung river.
Usually you have to jump through hoops or you have to get through connections to really get some form of data from the government. So even though we have some open data sets, it's still also very limited.
Hi, I'm Courtney, and you are listening to Kata Kata Ka, a podcast where we gather researchers and get them to answer our pressing questions about their field. Join me as we talk about typhoon, flooding, and landslide hazard mapping with Dr. Brian Samson, Ms. Faye Andal, and Ms. Eunice Chua. Listen now on Spotify or anywhere you listen to podcasts.